Hey everybody. Okay, so it's been a eventful day. We took the ribs out of the refrigerator and fired up the pellet grill, and they've been on about 5 hours now. I've got them wrapped in foil with slathered in barbecue sauce, and I just put the sausage on about probably 20 minutes ago, and we'll be about ready to pull everything off in about 15 or 20 minutes. So stay tuned and I'll show you the finished product. Hey everyone. Okay, I'm pulling the ribs off, take them in and get them cut up. I'll let the sausage stay warm while I do that. So let's go inside and see what these babies look like. Okay. Oh yeah.
That looks good, peeps. Do you want a platter to put that stuff in?
I got one right underneath it.
Okay.
Can you pull that out?
Mm-hmm. Do you need this?
No.
Again? No.
It's hot.
Looks good. Barbecue-y. Figure looking good.
Barbecue. There is nothing not messy about this.
That's why his finger looking good.
Hello.
Hello. Look at that.
Look at that.
I was trying to get the macaroni and cheese going. That looks good. So after we cut it up, then what? Is it done at that
It's
time?
done, yep. We are ready to eat, and I just got to pull the sausage off, get it cut up.
You don't have to put any more barbecue sauce
No.
on it or anything?
Does it look like it needs more barbecue sauce?
No. Looks like I'm going to be licking my fingers. And then we have beans over here. Yes. Some beans, ribs, and the macaroni and cheese that we had last night. We're just going to warm that up. That looks good in there. And then we got sausage on the grill, on the smoker. What do you think, peeps?
See that pink around there? That's called smoke ring. Right in there. That's a beautiful smoke ring. That's what you get when you smoke meat. Get a nice little smoke ring. Now, on a stick burner, you get a little bit better one, but I'll take what I can get on this pellet grill because it cooks them fantastic. Alright, actually, I am going to cover this back up to keep it hot.
You gonna go pull the sausage off
Pull
now?
the sausage off now, yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go get the sausage and we'll be right back. Okay, we got the sausage off. Randy's cutting it up. What kind
really hot.
of sausage is that?
That's just regular old basic Eckrich sausage.
But it's really good with the smoke flavor. Okay, so we're gonna go eat, everyone, and I hope you enjoyed the videos this past weekend. Learned a few things about pellet grill and making, eating, making the erase boards and chocolate covered strawberries and macaroni and cheese. What else, babe?
Tune in tomorrow because
what are we doing tomorrow?
we're doing salads tomorrow. Rest of the week, actually.
And running and walking.
Yes.
Okay.
This was a cheat weekend all the way around.
Okay, everyone. Please like and subscribe. And just, I need the subscribers. I think we're at 370 maybe. And I'm trying to get to 1,000 before the meetup in May. So
Point it down here at the meat, not at me.
okay, so we got ribs. And that. All right, that looks great. Okay, everyone. What do you say, Randy? I got to point at you because you got to say the thing.
How about that?
All right, let us know what y'all think. Thanks, y'all. Bye.